Good morning. My name is Caitlin, and today we are going to make some sandwich bread. So let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start with 1 cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 3/4 teaspoons yeast. We're going to put all of that right into our stand mixer with the dough hook. Just give it a little mix until it's combined. Next, we're going to put in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and 3 cups of flour. You want the dough to stick to the hook, not to the bowl. It should clean the bowl. So you may need to add more water. As you can see here, I needed to add quite a bit of extra water to get that consistency we want. This is the consistency we're looking for. So we don't really have to do kneading with this recipe. So I'm just kind of folding over the corners to smooth it out. And then I'm gonna roll it kind of into a loaf form. You will want to spray the underside of the cling film. As you can see here, it will stick when it's finished rising. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this video was helpful and easy to follow along, and I'll see you in the next one.